is Friday. We just got ready, ate a little leftovers. We had some risotto and some edamame, and now we are headed out to Kibitz Nest, which I've never been to. It's like a bookstore. They have games there, they have a bar there, so we're meeting up with some of our friends. And yeah, that's the plan for tonight.
Woo!
Anything else you want to add?
That'll be it.
That's it. We're gonna walk there, so we gotta bundle up. Good morning vlog. It is Saturday morning and we are up and off to yoga. Last night was super fun. We actually didn't end up going to Kibitz Nest because it was all full, so there were no tables or anything, so we ended up going around bar hopping to a couple of other bars, and then we came back, had some Taco Bell, and played some Mario games. So that was fun. Now we are off to yoga. Have to put on my socks for that. We're leaving soon, and then after I think I'm gonna get some Gotham bagels with my friend. These are like my favorite bagels I've had in Chicago so far, so I'm very excited about that. And yeah, that's the plan for today. I don't really have a plan, so we'll see where the day takes us, but let's go. You all can hear me with the wind and everything, but we are on our way. I'm going to do some returns at Old Navy and then pick up an onion because I'm going to make a mushroom onion galette, or I'm going to attempt to make that. So that's the plan right now. So I wanted to make a mushroom galette tonight. I've never made one, but it sounds fun and it looks delicious, so I'm gonna try. I am following the recipe for King Arthur's Baking to make the dough, and then I'm kind of making up the recipe for the filling on my own. So we're gonna start and make the dough because that needs to rest for like half an hour. So let's get into it. So first we're gonna mix 1.5 cups of flour, some salt into that, and then we're gonna chop up the butter into small cubes because I think that will be easier to incorporate. You want it to form like a shaggy dough, I guess. I think this would be easier if you had a huge food processor and you just kind of pulse it, but I don't have that, so I'm just doing it in hand. And I don't know if it looks good, but I'm gonna add the water now. We have ice cold water here, and I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon at a time and kind of mix it in. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna turn it out and see how it looks. We're gonna form it into a disc and then refrigerate it. welcome to my corner. It is Sunday morning, Super Bowl day. I showered, slept in super late as usual, but showered, and now we're going over to one of our friends' house to watch the game, so I want to bring some appetizers, and I wanted to make a loaded potato type of appetizer, so I need a couple of stuff from the store. I'm gonna go and get that, and then I'll be back, and then we can make it and then head over. So yeah, that's the plan for this Super Bowl Sunday. Also, outfit, cute, set, that's all. Alright, so we're backing out. We're gonna make the loaded potato bites. Let's do it. Home, so we get to taste test it, but so good.
So good.
We have the loaded potato ones, but we're dipping it in sour cream, and it's so good.
I look like it without the sour cream more.
Oh, really?
Like, just the potatoes are fire.
Oh no, thank you.
Nice.
Delicious! And then he went to Little India, so insert his clips right now.